Good evening, YouTube. The North U.S. is expected to get a mixed bag of precipitation this holiday week, as many of you have observed. Temperature swings throughout the week can range from the 30s to the 50s or 60s Fahrenheit from the Ohio Valley through the Northeast. Some locations are projected to observe temperatures comparable to early spring rather than the week of Christmas, but any glimpse of warmth may once again be welcomed after the bitter cold that many faced earlier in the month. Many locations across the mid Atlantic region and New England will face a dry start and chilly to the week. While many will be able to shake off the chill as the days progress, they may not be able to escape a round or two or wintry weather before the slightly warmer conditions arrive. On Monday, the first storm of the week will begin to advance across portions of the Great Lakes region with snow and ice. With slightly warmer conditions across the Ohio Valley and portions of the mid Atlantic states, precipitation will transition from a snowy and wintry mix across northern areas with rain and drizzle farther south. Also through Tuesday, the core of the storm will push through New York State and New England with some lingering light drizzle or snow showers along the rear flank. Accumulating snow is expected to span from southern Ontario, Canada through northern New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine from late Monday to Tuesday night. And while most areas will pick up a general 1 to 3 inches of snow from this event, locations across the higher terrain like the Adirondacks, Green and White Mountains, as well as southern Maine, are expected to measure higher amounts of 3 to 6 inches. From a large zone, the local storm max for snowfall Monday night to Tuesday night across the Northeast is 12 inches. For a large zone, any snow that falls will have a decent chance of melting in the days that follow due to an upward temperature trend. Outside of the higher terrain of New England, the chances for at least 1 inch of snow to remain on the ground into Christmas Day may be rapidly declining. A zone of high pressure will migrate over the Northeast by Wednesday, December 24th, promoting drier and slightly warmer weather as holiday get togethers commence. Most cities will observe highs in the middle to upper 40s on Wednesday from Chicago to Columbus, Ohio, and Philadelphia. Meanwhile, locations farther south like Roanoke, Virginia, and Washington, D.C. will trend into the 50s and 60s by Wednesday, 10 to 15 degrees above the historical average for that date. By late Wednesday night into Thursday morning, December 25th, another storm will cross through the Ohio Valley, interior Northeast, and mid Atlantic states with primarily rain. There is the potential for precipitation to mix over to more of a wintry flavor over some ridge and mountain tops during the early morning hours, however. By Thursday afternoon, many locations will return to drier conditions as the storm exits the region nearly as quickly as it moves in. And Thursday evening, a separate storm will cross through southeastern Canada into the northeast. Most areas will observe plain rain, although the chances for sleet or freezing rain will increase across the higher terrain of New England into Friday. Elsewhere, temperatures will be moderate enough to diminish chances for additional wintry precipitation on Friday. Depending on how widespread the scope of Friday's storm is, rain and showers could expand to parts of West Virginia and Kentucky or stay confined to the interior Northeast as the feature quickly passes through. Different scenarios will be at play depending on the position of the jet stream by late week and amount of moisture available. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you liked what you saw, click like or subscribe below.